Yeah, greetings sanibonani ndimachero nabusheni siyanimukela emakhaya igama ngusabelo Ntabase and this is your favorite show Devon Network sakazela ke khona eThekwini la sibheka khona indaba ezihlukahlukene ezithinta iTheku namaphethelo. We even go provincially siphinde sinibhekele nento nje ezenze eSouth Africa sibalele ngisho naphesheya sinikeza nje indaba ezihlaba uhlonze. Kunjalo mfowethu igama usiya, we are back with another epic episode of the Durban Networks. Samunde zakhona eDurban siyaphuma siya koGoli, we even go overseas mfowethu. Guys and girls, we are sponsored by Native Guards, a security company which is based in the city of Durban. Khona kwelika banana mangabe nje kuthiwa ufuna mhlamba ama bodyguards, ufuna ukugada mhlamba nomcimbi awubathemba abantu ukuthi mhlamba bazokushaya, ungathintana nawo Native Guards. Their email is info@nativeguards.com. Yes, it is info@nativeguards. Ngavakashela ke nase office labo which is situated in the corner center, office number 2030. Siyacela ke bafowethu just go in numbers on our YouTube channel yayo ke Durban Network. You can also go to the Black TV whereby you also find the episodes of this very same show. Ungake futhi na ku Black Radio la ukwazi ke ukulalela live wonke ke ama podcast enzeka kuyona ke iDurban Network. Sihlabela phambili nohlelo. Mfowethu njengoba besishilo vele ukuthi asigcine South Africa, asigcine Africa sihlabela naphesheya. Kubukeke ngathi kunengcindezi engase ibe khona njengoba uDonald Trump ewinile. Uyazi abantu baku entertainment mangabe campaignwa abanye they will be ku camp yomunye, abanye babe ku camp yomunye. So kunama ama popular figures njengano Oprah Winfrey, abo Beyonce bebe ku camp ka Kamala Harris, of which akawinanga agcine kunayo uDonald Trump. So kubukeke ngathi mhlambe ngoba uyazi banama projects amakhulu axhasa ugovernment wakhona eAmerica ukuthi bangase babe nenkinga entweni njengalazo. Ithini uvo lakho? Openly umuntu uyaye afune ukuprioritize lo muntu okuthi kade embambisile empini akade yilwa ngaleso sikhathi. I think this is a time whereby uDonald Trump naye ezofuna ukuveza okanye ukuchampiona okanye uba favorable kubantu akholela ukuthi bamxhasile bama naye esikhathini sobunzima ezama ukubuyisa isihlalo sakhe sepresidency. So we do expect abantu abanjengano Beyonce, your Oprah Winfrey and the other figures which were openly supporting uKamal ukuthi vele bazocindezeleka under ireign kaDonald Trump. However, it is not something new, hence I've highlighted. We are now ufune ukuprioritize abantu ade benawo empini. Mhlambe sisase lapho I am very much aware ukuthi kunama artists epop akade hamba noDonald Trump. Mhlambe lento ithi ngoba masibheka industry of music eAmerica, it's very broad, including the acting industry. So mhlambe ukucounter kwalezinto zokuthi uthole ukuthi omunye usenzelela omunye akasenzelela akugcini nixova wona ama artists ewodwa. Kungawaxova, but politics is politics and politics just gives direction. So uma ngabe ngaleso sikhathi isho okuthize, then it is obviously taking everybody to that path. So obvious kuzokwenzeka lokho whether uyathanda awuthandi, because ipolitiki it's not about what we want, it's about what they want. So kuzokwenzeka lokho abafisa kwenza. Senginenkabi mfowethu esezikhona zabantu abamhlophe okuyinto ethusayo. Kunomlungu oke wadutshulwa nje ensukwini kwenye imall. Kwatholakala ukuthi ekudutshulweni kwakhe udutshulwe yinkabi ezabantu abamhlophe ezaziwa njengama security asatshwayo eCape Town. Sisizwile impela istory sinjengaleso sokubulawa kwaso mabhizinisi thizeni ngale eKapa. We even saw i-video bedriver i-golf sebeshintsha ama-number plates and stuff, you know. So yeah, izinto ezikhona, izinto ezenzekayo. It's just that abantu abamnyama have been sort of in a limelight when it comes to this hitman job and other stuff, and but there are white people who are still doing this dirty job, but noma kungajwayelekile kangako, but it is sometimes, I mean, give that kind of a picture of saying akekho ngcono kunomunye, mhlambe siyafana because nabo whatever we do, they do it as well. Remember, even kwayona le job le ubunkabi into vele yafika nabantu abamhlophe, you know, like we didn't know about that thing, but sathi masi inherita, then sase siyenzisisa kakhulu ke sabulalana sodwa nje basenza nje.
Yes, if usho njalo, I think sonke sikhumbula uChrisani.
Yes.
Ukuthi wabulawa umuntu oyinkabi ekwathi makutholakala wayethunyiwe abanye noma agcina engazange abaveze.
Yes.
Mfowethu, food poisoning is in a rise. There's a food poisoning crisis happening. I think almost in our 3 or 4 previous or latest or recent episodes, sikhuluma nge-food poisoning. We keep on going back on the same topic. What is the actual problem?
I think we just need to acknowledge the fact that, like, people who are on a production side, who are also on a purchasing and delivery side of it, they are clueless sometimes, you know. You'd find somebody opening a tuck shop, uthole ukuthi aka understand ukuthi kwakudla kumele kube nendawo ethize okuthenga kuyona, so that uzogarant ukuthi ukudla okusafe lokho, ukudla okusase nesikhathi ukuthi abantu bangakuconsume. So we've seen a lot of stories whereby abantu are consuming something which is out of date, for which uthole ukuthi in reality nomuntu okuthengisa akazange ayinake naleyo nto, you know. That's why I just need somebody who's very, like, I mean, dedicated in that job, committed in that job. Umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi yonke into uyayibhekisisa and stuff. Then again, we need to check ukuthi abantu these days who are the co-producers of food themselves, i-credibility yabo ingakanani in terms of producing food, you know. Bakufundele lokho, bayakwazi, baya understand into that should go on shop and be consumed and stuff, you know. But as long as like we still have people who are chasing the profit, we will probably or precisely encounter the very same thing, because bazohleze befuna i-profit nento eshibhile, irrespective ukuthi leyo nto is it, I mean, worth it to be consumed by the people at large.
Yeah, so but let's speak on a broader spectrum of this of these productions or the manufacturers of this kind of food, which ends up killing our people. Mhlambe, is there no a way that can be done, or the workshops that can be done by the government in order to teach them about the importance of food health?
I think ukuhlawulisa izitolo nabantu abama co-producers abaficakala benezinto ezithize othola ukuthi aziworth ukuthi zingakodliwa umphakathi. Uma kungaqhutshekwa kuhlawuliswa abantu abanjalo, baboshwe abantu abanjalo, abantu bayogcina sebewufunda umthetho ngendlela ukuthi uma ngenza u1 no2 ngizoboshwa, bese eyazi ngelinye ilanga ukuthi uma ethenga ukudla somewhere, it can't be he's buying from the wholesaler. He must check mangabe ethenga ama-tip bag ukuthi lama-tip bag ngabe asasesikhathini esiright yini, uma ethenga ikhofi ngabe lisasesikhathini esiright yini. Abantu umthetho bahleze befuna ukuwuphula, but when the government or the head of state is enforcing those laws, arresting people in numbers and prosecuting them, then people will learn what law stands for.
Injalo nje usho kanjalo Sabelo Ndaba, this is the Durban network bafowethu. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi we are sponsored by Native Guards, a security company based khona la eThekwini kwelika Banana. Ningakhohlwa ukusilandela ku Facebook nakhona ku TikTok sikhona nalapha ku YouTube la kubaleke khona kakhulu. It's Durban network everywhere. Umthandeni engathi waqwebhana no Big Zulu.
uBig Zulu
Engathi kunokwebhana lapha okwambisana mhlambe nomsebenzi oke wenziwa Mthandeni include iartist la kwiNkabi Records uLwandle Nkulu okuyi record company yakhe uBig Zulu. Uthini uvo lakho?
I think live eyenziwa uBig Zulu ila ezama khona ukclarify ukuthi lento isuka phi ekuthini yena ikholi yaMthandeni agcina ukizwa ila uMthandeni ayecela khona ukusebenza noLwandle Nkulu. Ama proceedings abe sebemva kwaloko akaphindanga wamfonela wamtshela ukuthi hayi mfethu siqedile ingoma sesila manje sesicela kwenzeke kanje manje noma bafonela ioffice laseNkabi Records batshela ukuthi sifuna ukuthi noma sicela kwenzeke into engazange yenze. So yonke lento ku Big Zulu it come as a surprise ukuthi uMthandeni abuke engathi mhlawumbe kune influence noma i-denial sort of ekhona from uBig Zulu yokuthi angenelele kuma issues athinta yena benolwandle Nkulu. Zokhumbula ukuthi ulwa ugcine esenqaba ukuya kuma gigs kaMthandeni wagcina esenqaba ukuyoshutha music video noMthandeni wayiParis ingoma abayenza ogcine sekwenza vele ukuthi uMthandeni abuke engathi into mhlawumbe le ephekwe emumva lesuka khona ukuthi no, don't involve yourself anymore, don't do that anymore and stuff, you know. So ke nake he came out gun blazing yena uBig Zulu echaza ukuthi no, uMthandeni akazange I maintain a constant communication naye based on indaba zika Lwandle Nkulu as iartist laseNkabi Nation. Na kusinenkinga la KZN kodwa nje it's a broader question mhlambe engifuna ukuthi uyiphendule ngendlela yokuthi mhlawumbe abantu bonke ukuthi bacabanga kanjani. Will we ever be in a state as KZN whereby ama team lawo sinawo kwi PSL sithola ukuthi abantu bagcine sebe supporta wona kakhulu ukudlula lamaqembu asegoli mhlambe le Big 3 Pirates, Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs? Hey kunzima ukufika to that position having to consider ukuthi i-trophy cabinet iyona ebuilda i-fan base ekusondezela ama-supporters. So I think one of the dialogue ekufanele abantu bala eThekwini especially laba abanama team babe nayo ukuthi benza enough unibone ukuthi bawine ama trophies so that abantu would consider supporting their teams, you know. We can see a lot of people are trying to be there for uSuthu olumabheshankone kakhulu nje bavele obala abantu bayisupporta, but there's nothing in return for which abantu they are expecting some trophies. You know, they want to go in Africa and compete in Africa and the Champions League, for which right now those things are all impossible. Our team are not doing well, are not delivering those silver medals for which they can lead to increase their fan base. So I can say iphupho elikhona, but with regards to indlela ekwenzeka ngayo ama team performance yawo ala KZN in particular, we far from seeing that.
We far from seeing that, but mhlambe ayisikhulume in terms of investment. I remember when Mr. Zungu ethenga amaZulu wakhuluma nge-investment enkulu ayethi uzoyenza ukuthi amaZulu abe i-team ecompetayo kwi-PSL. Same as uMamkhize ngesikhathi ethenga iCeltics eyishintshela kwi-Royal AM i-team yakhe yathi sehlathini ethenga i-status se-Celtics. Washo the very same thing, but it seems like into abayisho they are not practicing whatever they preach. Mhlambe kuthini lo?
Kuchaza ukuthi kakhulu lamathimi esiwabona ephethwe abantu base KZN abantu abakhululesi ngebhola isikhathi esiningi uthathwa ihype yangaleso sikhathi ngoba ukwazi ukuthenga istatus seteam enkulu athathe leyo hype without considering ukuthi team it is a day-to-day expense whereby you pop money now and then and stuff, you know. So bathathwe nje ileso sikhathi bafile ngathi there's still something more that they can do. Utho ukuthi aba-understand ukuthi inkulu imali mhlampe efunekayo nokuthi maningi ama-sacrifices that are needed for them to actually play and practice. So I think until the day mhlampe kuyosuka umuntu ekade simaze owner vele i-team ejwayele ukuspenda athenga i-team mhlampe yaseThekwini noma athenga i-team somewhere ayibhase iseThekwini, then whatever words that person would say mhlampe ayoba seduzane nokuthi angakwenza lokho in practical, but as long as sisaba nama-team akanje then soqhubeka sibe nenkinga.
Okay, let's speak of the entertainment. We have Makhadzi ekubukeke ngathi brand yakhe it is une annual show kodwa kubukeke ngathi izinto azimhambeli kahle mhlambe these days after into yama-BET ebukeke mhlambe singabona ephinda rise futhi into engenza ukuthi ishow yakhe ibe nomdlandla.
Yeah, kungenzeka. I think kakhulukazi kumele enforce i-marketing yakhe ngoba iyo into engicabanga ukuthi kakhulukazi iyokwazi ukuthi imsize ukuthi abuyele kule stand akade eMaxona nabantu baqhubeke basupport ishow yakhe. I don't think she just need to be negative at all point, but she just need to be positive. Abheke ukuthi abantu ngalesikhathi azohosta ngaso ishow yabo it would be festive for which abantu they'll be enjoying their bonuses, they'll be on holidays, some of them, so obviously it just make her stand more chances of a successful show. But nje akabe positive aqhubeke ne-marketing yakhe because she's a brilliant performer by the way. So umuntu wazi ukuthi uma enza into like you don't doubt that you're going to enjoy the show.
I'm aware that today we have a guest artist. So mhlambe nje before siye kuyena kubuye ngathi there's more and more DJs who are making it big like South Africa internationally. Mhlambe ngabe uBlack Coffee uye mhlambe oqophe wonke lo mlando ovule zonke lendlela.
Yeah, uzivulile kakhulu indlela. You know, like when a South African is introducing himself abroad, like they always look at somebody who have made it to the big stages and stuff. So I think for me, uzivulile indlela, and he also said that at some point he wish there can be more artists aba recognized abroad, so that when he decide to retire or to rest, like there'll be somebody who will take over, for which you can see Oshims are doing well, you know, going in and out of Europe, different countries, going to Asia, South America and stuff, Antarctica and stuff, so which is a great thing. I think omunye nje umuntu I believe nje bade kubekwa istage sashaka kufanele no Black Coffee kube ne stage sakhe because he opens a lot of gates.
Kunjalo lapho bafowethu, this is the Durban Network. I-item elandelayo masibuya khona lapha eTolo i-artist esiliphethe namhlanje nizozwela nje bafowethu. Danko siyabuya.
In an ever-changing world, security is more important than ever. At Native Guards, we provide top-notch security solutions tailored to your unique needs. From corporate offices to residential properties, our highly trained team ensures your peace of mind. Professional, reliable, dedicated. Trust Native Guards for comprehensive security services. Contact us today for security you can trust. Call us now on 07840266712 or 067795555946. You can also email us on info@nativeguards.com. Our website is nativeguards.com, and you can visit us at our offices. The number is 2030 in Diaconia Center, Durban. Native Guards, your shield of safety.
Ya ngoba sishilo ke nganza kwethu ukuthi sovala umcimbi wethu sovala uhlelo lwethu nge-artist, and we are having RK, you know, all the way from Malawi, so like he has visited us in a studio. So nje sizoke siza ukuthi usiphatheleni uzosiperformela towards the end of the show, but okwamanje ake siza ukuthi uRK uyubani. Ake ngikubingelele kunjani sizwa kithi?
Ngiyaphila futhi kunjani?
Siyaphila nathi mfethu. No, I mean like abantu ekhaya would love to know who are you, where you come from, when did you start music?
Okay, first of all, my name is my real name is Raja, but if we coming for music case, we know that each and every person RK. Yeah, so I can say starting when I was young, and I think when I was at primary school.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the time that I started.
Yes.
Yeah, to sing.
Okay, so I mean, ingoma uyazibhalela, do you write your own songs or you've got somebody who writes your music and stuff?
Actually, if I'm artist, I'm artist, because which means I do everything for myself, from starting from scratch until now I finding the producer that I need this kind of the beat in this kind of the song that I focusing.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So how many songs do you have so far?
I can say I have a lot of the songs, but you know, we are taking like a step by step. As of now, I'm trying to making myself that to have like a power, to really be a artist. The song that I have, we see other collaboration with the different people from here and the other people from home Malawi. So yeah, I can say as of now I'm making like a collaboration mostly.
Okay. Yeah. So like how was it like to work with the South African artists and stuff like having to make a song with them and stuff, and how that song is doing now?
Yeah, sometimes it's gonna be like difficult, but also it's not difficult. Only the thing it's like to just take notes, say okay fine, we need like to have a new song, which the song can be maybe discussing. We can discussing about the song, but the only thing that we're gonna need, like okay, for women, for what is the song. So sometimes we're doing, because we have a communication using sometimes to speak in Zulu. So I understanding that's okay. I think my fellow artists, they need this kind of the song. So that's the opportunity that I have. But when I start the sing, I using to sing from my language.
Because like that was my next question. Like most of artists would just like do their songs in English, but you've decided to do some of your songs using Chewa, which is I mean the biggest language in Malawi. So why have you decided to use Chewa rather than doing English?
Okay, you know, it's like I would say, we're using exactly the way that you say that we're using Chichewa to speaking. Like most of our country people, they're speaking also Chichewa. But I can say that it's the same, because even here most of the artists they're using to speak our language. I say our language because now I'm here in South Africa, so which means they're using to speaking Zulu as also you see. So there's other also people, artists who just thinking that I'm gonna, for my side, I don't want to using Zulu to sing, but I'm gonna use only singers. That's it's depending for artists that I'm gonna always using for.
So right now, like, do you have a song maybe that is out there on maybe digital stores that maybe you can say it's my single that I'm pushing?
Actually, like I say, as of now I don't have, but little by little, cause I'm trying also to push myself, and I'm trying like also to find like other sponsorship for music. You know, it's not easy for music to be industry. But I can say that at least I'm trying to moving little by little.
No, hence I've said that you're going to do some, chilled performance for us. today. So yeah, we are closing the show with a nice performance from RK.
Yeah.
Amanye bando olokana nela uthi sundifila ine nganayenela yanga olokana nela uthi sundifila ine nganayenela yanga
Maxi beat forever.
If I say I love you, I need you. Wabangisa ntima wanga kuwawa Oma uziwe iwe hawa Malandi makwacha I spend for you Ugafuna KFC imabwela tu Kaya nandozi nima ifela tu Sinayamba kusinda ma-upload seki Una posta wina ku TikTok Utalimba mao ajaye a sweet toko Taile umakala busy a sexy phone Ugakala ndachi na choni Eno bano wabangisa ntima Taile kokalila mautse Ndiga kanisa sa iwe ndi Aya Wala mwina magandi bese ewe nanga Abangisa ntima olokana nena Uti sundi fila ine Ndiga naendela yanga olokana nena Uti sundi fila ine Ndiga naendela yanga ex ndizomona ndivanga zija ntima wanga balo ndituuna wawa unango ndiswela ntima kutawa wehawa nakabanje wandisiya ine mesaiwa unkalonjeza kuti vana vanga uzabale ndiwe ndinakanda chinalindiwe zomwe ndikafuna kuti zakhale ndiwe ex nangawode bwanji munasita maganizo ngoma ntima wanga unalipa inu sindikafuna kuti ine nditenge wina ngoma bwanji ine nditunda kuluza koma iwe pachiyambi bolokana nena kuti sundikonda kuti sundifila sundivoyilila mwina ine ndikanasinta bolokana nena kuti sundifila ine ndikanaendela yanga bolokana nena kuti sundifila iwe ndikanaendela yanga Pamanye vantu Zinalize jaza kwila na manja Una yambisa padi manekanja Zado zake bano zinatele manja Zinalize jaza kwila na manja Una yambisa padi manekanja Zado zake bano zinatele